Welcome to Fit and Fab. Today, we're diving into the world of herbs and their impact on kidney health. Let's uncover the secrets nature holds for healthier kidneys. 12 best cleansing herbs to detoxify your kidneys. Let's take a closer look at these top kidney cleaning herbs. There is a wide variety of herbs in the world, and many of them have been linked to various health advantages, including kidney cleansing. 1. Stinging nettle. The stinging nettle's prickly exterior might seem intimidating, but it has long been valued in medicine for its numerous health benefits. Its strong anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate kidney inflammation and combat bacterial intrusions, making it a valuable ally in preventing conditions such as urinary tract infections. It's important to highlight that our understanding of the stinging nettle's effects on kidney health is still evolving. Most research conducted thus far has primarily involved studies using rodent subjects. Hence, we haven't completely unveiled its precise impact on human kidneys. Additionally, it may interact unfavorably with specific medications. Although the elevated potassium levels in stinging nettle usually offer benefits, they might not suit everyone, particularly individuals dealing with specific health issues. 2. Marshmallow roots. Marshmallow root, despite its name, isn't related to the sugary bonfire treat. It does, however, boast anti-inflammatory properties that could aid in reducing inflammation. Yet, studies suggest potential adverse effects on kidney function in mice. Rich in vitamin A, E, potassium, and sodium, marshmallow root might not be advisable for individuals managing specific health conditions. While usually safe, potential side effects could encompass stomach discomfort and feelings of dizziness. 3. Milk thistle. The frequently overlooked milk thistle, identifiable by its vibrant purple flowers, holds a significant place in traditional medicine. It's thought to house a potent compound called silymarin, showcasing notable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Initial studies suggest its potential in shielding against kidney damage, especially concerning diabetic nephropathy. Overall, milk thistle has a positive safety record, with most users reporting minimal, if any, digestive discomfort as side effects. 4. Dandelion root. Dandelion root has deep roots in ancient healing practices, particularly known for its role in kidney purification. Its benefits extend to stabilizing blood sugar levels and lowering blood pressure, offering a plethora of health advantages. This root is believed to possess diuretic properties, potentially increasing urine output and aiding in the removal of excess minerals and waste, possibly preventing kidney stone formation. However, it's important to note that the evidence supporting these claims is somewhat limited. A small study involving only 17 individuals showed increased urine volume within 5 hours of dandelion extract intake. Additionally, dandelion root contains high levels of potassium, warranting caution for individuals with kidney disease. While potent, this herb may lead to side effects like skin irritation, heartburn, digestive issues, and diarrhea. It's best used moderately and after consulting with a professional, especially for those with kidney problems. 5. Juniper. This plant is commonly recognized for its berries, contributing to the distinct aroma of gin. However, juniper is also esteemed for its health benefits attributed to its diuretic properties and abundant water content. It may assist in urinary tract infections and the prevention of kidney stones. Furthermore, the plant contains antibacterial elements that might enhance kidney function. Yet, it's important to note that juniper could cause stomach upset and kidney irritation. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should steer clear due to potential risks. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, known for its vibrant golden hue in Indian cuisine, is renowned for potential health benefits. Curcumin, its active compound celebrated for potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, holds promise for chronic kidney disease. There is belief that turmeric might aid in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. However, more research is needed to confirm these advantages. Moreover, considering its potential impact on kidney stones and its blood-thinning properties, careful use of turmeric is advisable, ideally after consulting with a medical professional. 7. Hydrangea. The hydrangea plant, often prized for its aesthetic appeal in gardens, surprisingly shows promise in supporting kidney health. Animal experiments suggest that hydrangea could potentially ease kidney damage, providing anti-inflammatory relief to cells affected by chemotherapy. However, it's crucial to approach this cautiously, acknowledging that what works in animal studies might not necessarily apply to humans. Without comprehensive human trials, to ascertain hydrangea's impact on kidney health, claiming its benefits with absolute certainty remains premature. Known side effects of this beautiful plant encompass dizziness, chest tightness, and gastrointestinal disturbances. 8. Ginger. Ginger, beyond its culinary use, is renowned for more than just flavor enhancement. Its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities are celebrated, with some research indicating a potential shield against kidney damage. However, it's essential to note its considerations. Recognized side effects encompass heartburn and stomach upset. Caution is advised for individuals on blood-thinning medications or with particular health conditions when using ginger. 9. Parsley. Apart from its common use as a fragrant addition, parsley serves as a traditional diuretic with the ability to potentially boost urine production. This increased output may aid in purifying the urinary tract and possibly preventing kidney stones. Yet, scientific endorsement of parsley's impact on kidney health remains incomplete, primarily relying on anecdotal evidence. Extensive future research is necessary to comprehensively understand parsley's potential advantages and disadvantages. 10. Horsetail. Horsetail, a perennial plant steeped in traditional medicine, is often utilized as a diuretic to support urinary tract wellness. However, the scientific backing connecting horsetail to kidney health remains sparse and not entirely conclusive. Furthermore, its impact on blood sugar levels and high potassium content warrant cautious monitoring when incorporating it into a health routine. 11. Uva ursi. Thanks to its believed antimicrobial properties, uva ursi, known as bearberry, is a traditional solution for urinary tract infections. Though it's shown promise in managing minor urinary infections, comprehensive research regarding its broader impact on kidney health is lacking. It's crucial to approach bearberry with caution. Prolonged use has been linked to potentially severe adverse effects, such as liver damage and respiratory issues. 12. Burdock root. Finally, there's burdock root, highly esteemed in Chinese medicine for its diuretic properties, potentially aiding in kidney and blood purification. Similar to the others, burdock root's impact on kidney health necessitates deeper exploration. Current understanding is limited, prompting the requirement for more extensive studies to validate its benefits and determine potential side effects. Reports of allergic reactions to burdock root stress the importance of professional medical guidance when using this herb. There you have it, a tour through herbs and their potential effects on kidney health. Remember, nature's remedies are powerful, but caution and expert advice are your best guides. Stay tuned for more wellness insights on Fit&Fab.